So today I'm gonna be doing a kind of like a showdown, show you guys how this AOA beauty blender works. It's not a beauty blender, a blender, wonder blender. It's called a wonder blender. It's by AOA, and you can shop in this website, which is Shop and Save, to purchase this sponge. The sponge is $1, guys. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. Sorry about the mess, my son is playing back there. So this is what the sponge looks like. Oh, excuse me, Mary. And this is what the sponge looks like when it's watered. It's like full of water. I did use it today, and this is the one I used to show you guys how to use it and all that good stuff. Excuse me, sorry, armpit. So that's about it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will show you guys the clip on how I apply my foundation, my concealer, and how it blended everything else. The ColourPop foundation, I'm gonna apply it in my face, and all I'm doing is dripping the foundation in my skin. I really love this foundation. This is one of my favorite foundations of all time. It's really good. Put it back, Papa. I'm gonna be using my Wonder Blender. This is the blender from AOA, which is this Shop and Save. I'm gonna go ahead and just blend my foundation in. I'm just gonna go ahead. You guys are gonna see how beautiful it applies my foundation. The foundation is really good already, but the sponge applies everything very well. See how it evenly distributes all the product on my skin. I love this stuff. I love this sponge. And it doesn't really soak all the product in your sponge. Go ahead and apply this.
Mama!
And we're gonna do the forehead. Put it right there, Dominic. Wait. Wait, Papa. No, wait.
Mama.
I got my son is asking for something, and he's being really. Okay, so we're gonna let the foundation sit on our face. We're gonna go ahead and grab the rest of the foundation, just apply it on our neck. So we are going to grab a concealer. In today's concealer, I'm going to be using the Born This Way concealer. This is a small little sample of it, so this is what I'm going to use today. I'm going to go ahead and apply some under my eyes. Under my eyes, I have a lot of dark circles. Let's put some here. And then I always put them in my lids. That's just because I always put it there. So I'm going to go ahead and grab this sponge. I'm going to go ahead and dab this in. Alright. Look how seamlessly this seriously applies my concealer. It is the best sponge ever. It actually applies my foundation and my concealer very well. I really love this sponge. As you guys can see, it's slowly and gently blending everything together. So see, it doesn't really I feel like it doesn't take a lot of product in the sponge, and that's what I like about the sponge. It's really good. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna blend the one on top of the lid. Alright, so do you guys see how this sponge blend everything seamlessly together? So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna grab a little bit of the foundation. I'm gonna put it on my sponge. I'm gonna dab it behind my hand, and I'm gonna slowly I feel like the concealer is a little bit too white, so I'm just gonna kind of mix the foundation and just blend everything seamlessly. Like so. You guys see how beautiful the sponge applies my foundation. It has been life-changing for me, and you guys see the product is not like, there's not a lot of product in the sponge. Is a little bit, I put a foundation here so you're gonna still see that. I feel like the sponge doesn't absorb a lot of product like my other sponges from Shop Marseille, or like even the beauty blender. It doesn't really, the beauty blender doesn't apply soak up a lot of foundation either, but I feel like the Real Techniques one, the elf one, all of these other ones are, I'm gonna go ahead and use this one. This is just in banana. It's the powder and banana. I'm gonna use my sponge, blend this out. I'm gonna grab the other side. I'm gonna grab this powder, put it in my sponge, and I'm gonna tap the excess off. And then I'm just gonna apply this. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is showing you guys how to use that sponge, so you guys don't believe me, that sponge is fucking amazing. I show you guys how it works. It works fucking amazing. So if you guys have not tried that out, go ahead and try it out. Go ahead and purchase it on the website. So yeah, that will be all for this video. If you guys do want a comparison with the beauty blender, I couldn't find my beauty blender. The thing is that my son, I got a toddler, he is about to be 3, so he's on the cerebral tubes. He grabs all my stuff, so I cannot find my original beauty blender. I don't know where's it at, so I wasn't able to do the comparison. But if you guys still want me to do the comparison, I'll be able to do it. I would have to just purchase another beauty blender. I hope they still have it in black, so I could do like more of a comparison with that one. But other than that, that'll be all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys like it. Bye guys.